So hello guys, this is the second video of our lesson, and then after your teacher provided you with link or code, you can paste it here. This application Nearpod it can be downloaded in Play Store, and it it's only 6 MB I think. And then after pasting your code, then you will put your name on in order for you to start learning. Just your name. It's easy to use, and it's ready after you put your name. You can study, and you but you will need an internet in order for you to use it. And that's pretty much all of it in the student view on how to use Nearpod. So take note that this application that you downloaded in the Play Store, it is only intended for students, and hope we are clear, and bye bye.